In this video, everything you need to know how to replace front lower left engine mount on the driver's side. Here's one of the best Hondas ever made, and we're going to use the back and only replacement part. There is a part number, I got it from Rock Auto. Yeah, it looks exactly the same. I will show you all specs you need to know. Here we go, let's take a look on the diagram, all torque specs there. Yeah, we have exact the same part, brand new. Yeah, let's get it installed. Okay, safety first, let's check our wheels, make sure vehicle is not going anywhere, put it on a jack stand, and 19 mil to remove the wheel. Okay, there you go, tire is off. We have two plastic 10 mil screw to remove the side shield. Let's do that. Guys, if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe. Okay, bungee cord, let's pull that bottom plastic shield to the side, and here we go. Yeah, seems like this lower front driver's side engine mount is original. It's dry, it's all torn apart, and yeah, it's not doing its job. Time to put a new one, and it's pretty easy when you know how to do it. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. 14 mil socket. Let's undo those two mounting bolts to the frame. Nice and easy. Here we go. Done. Alright, now we are using 19 mil socket. Let's remove the nut. And now we are able to pull the rest of the mounting bracket inner part out. And there's a washer. Nice. Well, we cannot reuse or repair this one, that's for sure. If you have any questions about your CRV, put them down in the comment section below, and I will try my best to answer them. Okay, pay attention to the orientation. As you can see, the F telling us forward, and arrow showing, and L means left side. That's how it's going back in place. Let's put a new one in. Bolt is going first, and we're going to screw that bolt into the engine like that. Started by hand, always done, and torque it. Torque specs I shown you guys on the very beginning. Let's put those 14 mil bottom bolts and get it all bolted and torqued. Done. Good. Beautiful. Okay, time for the nut. As you can see, it's sitting a bit lower because engine is slightly hanging down and that bracket wasn't doing the job. Let's put a washer, something like that. Same way as we removed, we're putting everything just in reverse together. Let's start it in nut, always starting by hand. Here we go. And yeah, it's pretty easy, pretty simple, and the first gen Honda CRV, they're pretty well built units. Okay, I have a hydraulic ball jack with a piece of 2x4 under the engine, and let's just jack it up a bit to align that hole in a mounting bracket with a stud, something like that. Make sure it's all lined properly, and now we're ready to tie that big nut. Here we go, nice and easy. Yeah, well, we're done. Let's release the jack, and now it will sit properly and everything's tight and we're good to go. Yeah, as you can see, nothing's really difficult and pretty straightforward. And if this video is helpful, don't forget to put a thumbs up, that helps the channel. Subscribe as well, and yeah, you have to put the rest of the small pieces back together and you're good. Yeah, thank you so much guys for your time watching this video, appreciated that, and see you soon. Take care, bye bye.